In this video, I'll show you how to connect your phone with your Samsung Soundbar. This way you'll be able to stream music or even watch movies on your phone and hear the audio through your soundbar. Very easy. First step is to put the soundbar into pairing mode. Take your Samsung remote control, should look like this one, and over here, I don't know if you see, but there is a Bluetooth symbol with the pair written right under. Make sure the soundbar is turned on. You're gonna press once on that button and the soundbar will enter into Bluetooth pairing mode. Take your phone, could be iPhone, could be Android, even a computer. You're gonna go into the Bluetooth settings, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, then go down and under other devices, your Samsung soundbar should be there. This is a C4 series, maybe yours is different, just tap on it. And it will be added to your Bluetooth list right over here. If in the future you want to disconnect them or completely erase this soundbar from your phone, click on the eye. On Android, you just need to click on the name of your Samsung soundbar and then select forget this device. This will completely delete the connection. So now you can go ahead, open any music app, YouTube, Netflix, and stream your music. Hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.